back to my channel Sona's Diary. So by seeing the doll, some of you must have already understood the topic of today's video. Others might be thinking, why are you catching so much of dolls? So in today's video, I'm gonna make a video on the birthday haul. A birthday haul in a sense, not an extended cut and all, just a review of what all gifts I got from a young age till now, that is 7th standard. So during this lockdown, we all are shut at home and I was literally feeling very lonely. Like my friend was there, even she was shut at her home and I was actually feeling very lonely. So this is an activity that I found was a lot of fun. That is, you get back to your old toys and old gifts that you got on your birthdays and you will be having a lot of fun with it. Especially having them all together, I went back to so many good memories that I had. So without giving a long intro, let's straight away move into the video. So, I'm gonna start with him. Anyways, he's one of my favorite little teddy. He's very soft to cuddle with. He has even a heart saying, I love you. Thank you. That's very cute of him. And like, he's one of my best friend. And literally getting him back was so good. Actually, I bought this. I'm not sure, but I think I bought this when I was 10 years old. Not sure about it. So anyways, I'm just gonna stuff him a little bit over here. And like we four are like the best friends right now. Literally we are like a gang enjoying together because I cannot meet my real friends, right? So I'm imagining my friends with these four people and we are doing good. So this is my next doll that I would like to say. I think I bought this when I was in 1st standard, not sure about it. My mom was like, why do you need this doll? Can't you throw it? I was like, no, I have so much memories with this doll. This is one of my cutest doll. When I was small, I did something hilarious. I just combed his hair and put makeup for it. But it turned out to be bad. I know that. I'm so sorry, guys. But I had a lot of fun with her anyways. Like even she is there, he is there, I am there, she is there. So we four are like best friends kind of right now. So next thing I wanted to say is this. I think I bought this when I was in KG1 or before that, not sure. And even its mechanism is not yet gone. That is like the funniest thing I want to say. It's like, that's such a cute thing that I would like to say. It's like it makes... That's very funny actually, but unfortunately I broke one of its hand. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't know why I broke it, but I broke it. But it's just the cutest doll I ever had. And also one more thing is there for it, that is it has a milk bottle, but it doesn't actually look like one, but it has. And if you just like put it inside its mouth, this is the mechanism kind of. And it was like so good. Actually, I had a lot of fun playing with it. I know I'm not a kid, but I love these dolls so much. Actually, I was having a great time with it. Now, when I'm 12 years old, that is now, it's like one of my greatest gifts in my life. I enjoyed it a lot. That is, I got a chance to be a model in one of the advertisement. I have the cover over here. It's like my photo is over here on this cover. It's called Food and Spices. So don't forget to try out this company's products. There are a lot of range of products and it's like at the back is somewhat like this. And my photo is over here. So don't forget to try the products of this. Of course, I'll make a video on it later. But anyways, this is the cover. Yeah, so I'm not gonna further do it. So this is what I wanted to say all through my video. Not anything much. And we four are having a great time. Anyways, I'm putting him back on my lap. We are having a great time. So if you are lonely, you're stuck at home, then this is an activity you can try. Do go back to your old memories, enjoy with them. I had a lot of wonderful memories meeting them, cuddling with them, talking with them. So if you're like stuck, bored, you can do this. So this is what I wanted to say through my video. If you like my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Please do like, share and comment down below my channel. Bye guys.